my dear children, look at this amazing model of the female reproductive system, right? Truly amazing, truly amazing. And this is a cross section basically where you can see the endometrium and all, right? And look at the endometrium, then the cervix, and then the vagina. The cross section of the ovary. So you can see the primordial follicle, primary follicle, and then even you can see the secondary follicle, and then the Graafian follicle rupturing out, and look at the secondary oocyte coming out, and look at the fimbriae beautifully catching it, right? And look at the corpus luteum and slowly degenerating to corpus albicans. Yeah, immature egg cells, they're slowly maturing and becoming the secondary oocyte, and the Graafian follicle are bursting open and all. And look at this, and this is the infundibulum, the ampulla, and the isthmus. And the ampullary isthmic junction here is where exactly the fertilization happens. And this structure here is called the uterine fundus. Okay, look at that, children. Amazing, so amazing, right? Yeah, and this is the womb where the baby grows, and in this endometrial wall is where the blastocyst will embed itself, and the embryo will develop and become a fetus there. So the uterus houses the baby, and this vaginal canal is what is called as the birth canal through which the baby is delivered, and the act is called parturition. Amazing, right? A pair of ovaries, a pair of fallopian tube, the uterus, cervix, and the vagina. That completes the female reproductive system. Ta-da, bye-bye, and take care.